Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will see how to create beautiful, minimalistic desktop wallpapers using Blender. It will be quick and easy steps to follow. I hope that you can create stunning wallpapers after watching this video. Now, let's get started and unleash your creativity. In this tutorial, we will using a default cube. So select this cube, go here in object mode, in edit mode, right click, subdivide. Here you see a little window, open it and increase the number here to 10. The smoothness, make it in 1. And here in fractal, I give it 5000. And the random seed, I make it just in 1, like this. Now go here in object mode. I go here in modifier properties, add modifier, generate, in deform, select deform, here simple deform. I give it 180 like this and I select Z. I go here in add, in generate, I select subdivision surface, make it in 4 like this, right click, shade smooth. Now we have our object. As you can see, you can select a lot of angle for your wallpapers. Now hit 0, hit N, view, camera to view. Okay, now I go here in world properties, in color, we select environment texture and here open your HDRI in your computer. For this tutorial, I select this one. It's called Snow Forest. You can upload it from Polyhaven. It's free. Now I go here in render properties and here I switch to cycles. Give a GPU if you have one. Here, as always, decrease this to 32 and here I give it 100. For this tutorial, I go here in color management and select very high contrast. Now, here when you see the plus, up, and here go to shader editor. Hit N to close this window. Now, we can give some materials for this. So before we select a beautiful angle for this. We can select this like this. I go here in add. In converter, we select color ramp. Connect color to base color I go here in add, in shader, I select in texture, I select noise texture, connect factor to the factor, select noise texture and Control T to enable mapping and texture coordinate. If you haven't, you can go here in edit, in preferences, in add-ons, and here hit node and enable this one. Okay, now we have this. So I add another one. We want to give it 3 like this. I move this. Here I decrease. We want to make it simple like this. So select the black one and give it any color you want. So I give it just white purple like this, and this one I make it more, I make it like this. Now if you go here in viewport shading to see how look as, or now you can play as you want with the colors to make a beautiful wallpapers. Maybe I increase this, I give it 0.7. Now I can move this. We want to make it more white. I make this, I switch to this. Okay, I think it's good like this. So I move it. Make more colors if you want. You can make it metallic like this. You can increase or decrease the roughness, but for me I make it like this. Go here. If I switch here in the x-axis, okay, I leave it just like this. So if I go here in a render image, it's take a time, but now we have this minimalistic abstract wallpaper. You can make it as your background or for any project you want. Free to you to use it as you want. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoying to make it with me. If you enjoying with this, please give me a hands up. And now I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one.